My dear students, in a previous video, we completed the topic limits and continuity, chapter number 13. And in that chapter, we find out the problems under limits and we find out the derivatives of some trigonometric functions also. We completed the topic in the previous video. Now in this video, I am going to start a new topic, that is topic number 10, straight lines. The topic straight lines comes under the subject coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry is a vital aspect in mathematics. In that coordinate geometry, there are two-dimensional geometry, three-dimensional geometry. Like that, we have to see. And in this two-dimensional geometry, in that topic, straight line is there. This coordinate geometry plays a vital role in the subject statistics and economics, especially in economics population problems and financial problems like that. The topics covered by the straight lines in the topic coordinate geometry. Many statistical problems are solved using this coordinate geometry, correlation problems like that. Now, you know coordinate axis. This is x-axis and this is y-axis and this is horizontal, you know. This is a coordinate axis, coordinate system. Coordinate axis represent x-axis and y-axis. This is positive direction of x-axis and this is negative direction of x-axis. Similarly, vertically upward is imaginary axis, positive y-axis, downward is negative y-axis. Now, first I am going to give some important formulae under this topic. Important formulae. First one, equation of x-axis. In the x-axis, in all the places, 1, 2, 3, 4 like that, in all the places y is 0. In the coordinate axis along the x-axis, y value is 0. Therefore, equation of x-axis is y equal to 0. This is the equation of x-axis. Second one, equation of y-axis. Equation of y-axis. In the y-axis, all x values are 0. In the y-axis, all x values are 0. Therefore, equation it is y equal to 0, x. The y-axis equation is x equal to 0. Equation of y-axis is x equal to 0. And any line parallel to x-axis. See, this is a line parallel to x-axis. In this line, all the y values are 2. X values is value. Therefore, this is the equation of the line is y equal to 2. That means y equal to constant. So any line parallel to x-axis is, equation of any line parallel to x-axis is y equal to constant. Equation of any line. Equation of any line parallel to x-axis. Equation of any line parallel to x-axis is y equal to constant. Similarly, any line parallel to y-axis. This is a line parallel to y-axis. In this line, all the x values are 2. Therefore, the equation of line parallel to y-axis is x equal to 2, that means x equal to constant. So any equation of any line parallel to y-axis is x equal to constant. Equation of any line parallel to y-axis is x equal to constant. X equal to constant. These are the fundamental results. First you have to remember equation of x-axis y equal to 0, equation of y-axis is x equal to 0, any line parallel to x-axis y equal to constant, and any line parallel to y-axis is x equal to constant, any line parallel to x-axis is y equal to constant. So, and this is the point. Plot x equal to 2, y equal to 2. So this is plotting the point 2, 2. Like that, a point can be plotted in the coordinate system that you know already. This is the point, x is 2, y is 2. Therefore, this is 2, 2. Like that, the point can be plotted in the coordinate system. It is in the first quadrant. X positive, y positive. The second quadrant, x negative, y positive. Third quadrant, x and y both are negative. And in the fourth quadrant, x positive, y negative, like that. Now, next result, important formula, a distance between the two given points in the coordinate system. See, in the CBSE syllabus, plus 1 mathematics, 11th standard, the 10th topic, straightening is given under the topic 10 in the CBSE syllabus, 11th standard mathematics. So, we have covered 13th chapter in the previous video, and in this video we are continuing the chapter 10. Listen, and the fifth result is distance between 2 points in a coordinate system. See, this is x-axis, and this is y-axis. Consider a point P, x1, y1, and Q, x2, y2. So distance between the 2 points PQ is given by, you have studied already in your lower class, 10th standard I think. In 10th standard you have the syllabus, distance between 2 points in the coordinate axis, I recall the result now. The distance between 2 points, say P, x1, y1, and Q, x2, y2. Distance between the 2 points P, x1, and Q, x2, y2 is given by distance PQ is equal to square root of x coordinate difference of x coordinate x2 minus x1 whole square plus difference of y coordinates y2 minus y1 whole square. The distance between 2 points PQ is root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the formula for finding the distance between 2 points. Next, sixth one. Suppose a point PQ is divided by a point R in the ratio m is to n. So the line PQ is divided by a point R in the ratio m is to n internally. Then the coordinates to point R I am going to give as a result. See, the point R divides the line PQ internally in the ratio m is to n. That is our next result. The point R divides the line the point R divides the line PQ in the ratio, divide the line PQ internally in the ratio, divide the line PQ internally in the ratio M is 10. M and N are positive numbers. In the ratio M is 10. The point R divides the line PQ internally in the ratio M is 10. Then the coordinates of R is, then the coordinates of the point R. Coordinates of point R is mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, comma, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. This is the point R divides the line PQ internally in the ratio m is 10. Then the coordinates of point R is mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n and my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Suppose the point R divides PQ exactly into two parts. That is, R is the midpoint of the line P. In this case, P, Q, R is the midpoint. In this case, it divides the line in the ratio 1:1. That is, M equal to N. In this case, M equal to N. Therefore, the ratio is 1:1. Suppose R divides the line PQ exactly into two parts, or otherwise R is the midpoint of the line PQ. In this case, the ratio is 1:1. That is, M becomes equal to N. And if it is the case, what is the coordinates of the point R? That we have to see now. Suppose R is the midpoint of the line PQ. R is the midpoint of the line PQ. Then R divides the ratio 1:1. Then the coordinates of the point R. Then the coordinates of the point R is x1 plus x2 by 2, comma, y1 plus y2 by 2. That is, M is 1. So x2 plus x1 by 1 plus 1, 2. M and N are equal. So M and N are equal means it is 1:1. So 1x2 plus 1x1 by 1 plus 1. Similarly, 1y2 plus 1y1 by 1 plus 1. That means y2 plus y1 by 2, x2 plus x1 by 2. In this case, R is the midpoint. And another result, area of a triangle whose vertices are given. So another result, this is A, x1, y1, B, x2, y2, C, x3, y3. So, area of a triangle ABC whose vertices are x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. Then the area of the triangle is given by a result. See, this is also you have studied in your previous class. Just I recall the result. Area of the triangle ABC whose vertices are A, x1, y1, B, x2, y2 and C, x3, y3 is given by area is given by delta, I can call 1 by 2 into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 of the area of the triangle whose vertices are ABC. Then the area of the triangle ABC is half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Suppose the 3 points are lie on a same line. That is another condition. Suppose the 3 points are lying on a same line, that is, the triangle cannot be formed. If the 3 points are collinear, I mean, that is a note for the result 8. If the 3 points are, if the 3 points are on the same line, or the points are collinear, or the points are, 3 points are collinear, that means A, B, C, all the 3 points lying on the same line. If it is the case, then the area of the triangle is 0. Then the area of the triangle is 0. This is a condition. If the 3 points are collinear or are lying on the same line, then the area of the triangle formed by the 3 points is 0. And I will stop here. So far we have seen 8 results, and you remember these results and you come thorough with the result for the next class. I will continue the lesson in the next class. Thank you.